Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 26th of February. I'm James Spann. Very nice weather today. We might see a shower tomorrow, better chance of rain on Thursday. And the weekend looking wet and cold air coming back. Winter not over yet. Take a look. There's the upper view this afternoon. Got a zonal flow from west to east across the continental United States. And as advertised, it's been a partly sunny day. That's the visible satellite view. No rain for the northern half of the state. And it feels pretty good. Most everybody in the 60s, but Tuscaloosa managing 70, Montgomery at 73. But up north, it is still brutally cold, and some of that's going to break away. We'll feel that late this weekend and early next week. Temperatures next week will likely be well below average, so get ready. Up north, scattered pockets where winter weather advisories are in effect. The south is fairly quiet. Of course, the areas in green, those are river flood warnings as major flooding continues across many of the rivers after last week's excessive rain. Severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Got a marginal risk of severe storms on the western Gulf Coast, including places like Houston and New Orleans, kind of clipping the Alabama Gulf Coast. Tomorrow, we're in the green. That means somebody might hear some thunder, but we don't expect any severe weather. And on day 3, which is Thursday, got a marginal risk for parts of the Gulf Coast region in Alabama that's south of a line from near Grove Hill to Highland Home and Eufaula. And even down there, it's kind of a low-end threat. So, model fans, let's take a look. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Again, got a zonal flow and moisture levels a little higher. There could be a few scattered showers, but really not much. In fact, the latest model trends are drier, so the day looks to be partly sunny with a high close to 70, much like today. And while there could be a shower, it looks like a decent chunk of the day will be dry. This is Thursday. Moisture a bit deeper. We'll have the chance of showers, and it looks like the better chance of showers could be Thursday morning with a little wave coming through, but rain not especially heavy. And the weather stays fairly mild. Highs, I'd say 67 to 70, much like today. This is Friday, and again, the guidance trending drier. If this verifies, Friday would be a partly sunny day. The high would be close to 70, maybe low 70s in spots. And while we'll still mention the chance of a shower, it looks like a pretty good chunk of the day will be rain-free. Now, the weekend, we've had model madness. Let's take a look at the new runs here. And again, these are the 12Z runs. First off, the GFS. This is Saturday, suggesting rain moving in. And that's a big old 1054 high, very cold Arctic high pushing a front in here. And then Sunday, the front hangs up, and we have overrunning, and we have more rain coming in. So the GFS trending toward the European, at least on Sunday, with rain. So I think the Sunday rain forecast is fairly safe. Let's look at the European. It's still got a dry look on Saturday. The GFS, or the European here, suggesting Saturday could be relatively dry, and then widespread rain on Sunday. And we're still going to trend that way in the forecast. We'll mention some chance of a shower Saturday, but the big rains for the weekend seem to be on Sunday. And temperatures could fall during the day with cold air coming in, kind of a shallow layer of cold air. And the models typically don't handle that well. We might be in the 40s for North Alabama Sunday with that rain falling. Then Monday of next week, the rain on the way out, cold air on the way in. And parts of North Alabama could stay in the 30s if this verifies during the day Monday. Then a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 5th of March, big trough over the east and a cold, dry air mass. And again, very chilly. Let's go out 10 days. Friday of next week, March 8th, trough in the western states, and that looks mostly dry for us with temperatures warming up a bit by then. Here are the numbers coming off the European. You can see it's got relatively mild air through Saturday, and then Sunday it's got 56. Wouldn't be shocked if we're colder than that. And then look at the numbers just drop next week with highs in the 30s and 40s and lows well down in the 20s. And then we creep back up towards 60 by that following weekend, March 9th and 10th. These are the temperature probabilities coming from CPC for March 4th through the 8th, and you can see much of the country in that dark blue, suggesting Pretty chilly air for the month of March. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.